Hello, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to change a camshaft position sensor in your 2007 Toyota Yaris. You're going to start by ordering a camshaft position sensor from wherever you prefer to buy your parts. The tools needed will be a 10mm socket wrench, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, and just a 10mm wrench. You'll start off by removing your negative cable from your battery. Then, if you look under this mess of hoses and wires, see if I can get a better view. There we go. See that little clip right there kind of tucked in between your engine? Let's see, right there. In between your engine and these hoses right here, that's your camshaft position sensor. Right about underneath it, there'll be a 10mm bolt. You're going to need to use a long socket so that you can reach the bolt. Once you reach the bolt and remove the bolt, all you got to do is use your flathead to push down on that clip that's located right there. And then we're going to try to pry it out. Bear with me. Okay, after a few seconds of tugging, maybe you can use your flathead too to help. I'm just gonna pull it right on out. Okay. Here we go. This is what your camshaft position sensor will look like. As you can see, it's got some sludge on it. Now, a bad camshaft position sensor can give you a rough idle, maybe a rough start. Cause a couple other issues with your timing. It just kind of throws everything off. The car acts almost as if it's got a cold. So as you can see, I've got some sludge on there. I've recently done an oil change, spark plugs, filter, everything under the sun to do a tune-up. Still having a little bit of an issue. I was grateful my car ended up throwing the code P0012. Now that's camshaft advanced timing. I'm going to replace this now in hopes of maybe fixing my car. Looks like I got a piece of my girlfriend's hair somehow in the picture. Sorry about that. So, procedure is pretty simple. Simply remove your negative, look in between your mess of hoses. Pay no attention to my blue pool noodle. It does not help, does not add any horsepower to my car. But yeah, simply remove it and then reverse the procedure. Take your new one, which looks 100 times better. If you're wondering where I ordered mine from, I got it from Advanced Auto. Fairly cheap, about $40. I don't recommend Advanced as my parts store. I'm not sponsored by them, but it was the cheapest one I could find online. So simply reverse your process and hopefully your car will run a little bit better. Well, thank you for your time. Have a great day.